Water, sanitation, and plumbing are the lifelines of human health and hygiene in every built space. An acknowledgement of this truth is reflected in IPA's forthcoming mega event, Indian Plumbing Professionals League IPPL 2025. Yes, the building industry's most awaited knowledge and skills challenge is back. Get ready for the 9th edition, now in a brand new avatar with an NSDC IPA co-branded certificate. Yes, IPA is now an NSDC approved training partner. Since 2017, IPPL has empowered over 6,354 building professionals across India through more than 365 learning sessions and over 1,150 hours of training. 36 teams have won national trophies and benefited with 15 international study tours. From architects to PHE and MEP consultants to contractors, developers, and design and construction engineers, site supervisors, every edition has been a game changer. IPPL blends learning, competition, and fun like never before. And this year, the event will cover 22 IPA chapters across India. Phase 1. 5 days of expert-led training will happen from August to October 2025 at 22 IPA chapters covering 12 core topics in water, sanitation and plumbing, Uniform Illustrated Plumbing Code, water-efficient products, National Building Code, rainwater harvesting, advanced plumbing technologies, net zero water, pumps, hot water systems, water treatment plants, sewage treatment plants, water supply systems, sanitary drainage systems. Phase 2. MCQ-based testing will be done at the end of the training, and NSDC IPA co-branded certification will be awarded to the participants. Phase 3. At the chapter level finals, the top 3 teams win trophies. Top team from the chapters advance to Kolkata for the semi-finals. Phase 4. The top 6 teams emerging from the semi-finals will face off in the national grand finale at the 31st Indian Plumbing Conference on 15th November 2025. And the rewards? National champions take home 2.5 lakh rupees. First runner-up 2 lakhs. Second runner-up 1.5 lakhs. But the real reward? Every participant walks away with IPA Life Membership, NSDC IPA co-branded certificate, knowledge resources like the Uniform Illustrated Plumbing Code India and the Water Efficient Products India, and the skills to deliver projects on time, cost effectively, and to the highest quality standards. IPPL is open to all professionals in the building industry. Each team must have 2 participants, 1 architect or engineer who is a graduate or diploma holder, and 1 site supervisor with civil construction experience. Learn every minute, improvise every hour, innovate every day. Indian Plumbing Professionals League 2025 is back. Are you ready?